when retwisting your locks, you always want to start on freshly washed locks. I use Dr. Bronner soap to shampoo my locks, and then I sealed my locks and moisturized it with some Jamaican black castor oil. I'll make sure I link it below. Now, the key to getting crispy, clean parts is by using this gem right here. It is a 360 trifold mirror where you'll be able to see exactly how you're parting your hair, and it makes doing your retwist by yourself that much easier. You can place this over your door, but for now, I'm going to be placing it over my window blinds. Now, typically, I would be doing this in the mirror, but I have a mirror in front of me. I'm just sectioning my hair in front of the camera so that you can see it. So the reason why I'm sectioning my hair is just to make it so much easier when I go to retwist it. It's so that I don't have all of my hair like in the way when I'm trying to retwist my hair. So I'm sectioning my hair on the left and right side. It's going down the middle. And then in the back, I just leave it out, and I'll show you what I do next. All right, so as you can see, the back of my hair is out while the left and the right side is sectioned up. The reason why I leave the back alone is because this is where I start. I start my retwist from the back. So I'm just taking out the first row in the back of my head, and then I'm going to take a scrunchie and put the rest of my hair up. The reason why I'm using a scrunchie instead of a clip is because I'm going to be taking it down, putting it up, taking it down, putting it up, and it just makes it so much easier. Next, I'm adjusting my 360 mirror. I'm going to be using the mirror in front of me to see what's in the mirror behind me. And I'm going to be using a rat tail comb to part my hair. As you continue watching, I'm definitely going to let you see close up. I just want you to see from this angle first, just so that if you do choose to get this mirror, you understand how I'm positioning my body. When I'm parting the right side of the back of my head, I'm using the left mirror in front of me to see what's behind me. Now, when I'm parting the left side of the back of my hair, I'm using the right mirror in front of me to see what's in the mirror behind me. And voila, we now have a nice, crispy, and clean part. Do not get discouraged if your parts are not as crispy and neat. It does take time and it takes practice. However, this mirror that I'm using is definitely helping me, because if I didn't have it, I don't know what my parts would have been looking like. All right, so now for the close-up, I went ahead and sectioned my lock, and I'm putting some lock gel on top. I like to put the lock gel on top, and then I just comb it through so that it can be nice and smooth when I go to retwist it. And then I'm going to go ahead and make it smooth towards the end of the lock. I grab extra lock gel as needed, and I go ahead and twist all the way like towards the middle of where my new growth is. I don't like to twist all the way down because I don't want my locks to get thin. All right, so you want to take your clip and secure it at the end so that your hair does not move. Also, if this video is helping you so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. If you have any questions so far, drop them down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them. All right, so back to this video. After parting the hair, I like to take some lock gel and just apply it to the parts that I have sectioned out, just so that it could be nice and neat. And then I'm gonna take my lock comb and I'm gonna comb and gather my hair so that it could be nice and neat, okay? So I'm gonna put the comb through, and then that's when I'm gonna begin retwisting my hair. Okay. So I use the comb as a tool to retwist it, and then I'm gonna take the comb out. And as you can see, I'm going to have some new growth hanging out of that lock. And I'm just going to take some lock gel and I'm going to apply it and just continue twisting all the way down to where it's not sticking out anymore. I do not go all the way to the ends because I don't want my locks to get super thin. So I just go down as needed to be able to conceal the new growth. And then I clip it. I'm going to allow you to watch and follow along as I repeat the same steps on this new lock. I gather my hair, grab some lock gel, take my lock comb and smooth it through. And then I'm going to retwist. And smooth the lock gel down all the way to my new growth area. Once again, I do not twist all the way down to the end of my lock, just where my new growth is hanging. So you're going to smooth that down until it's secure, and then you're going to take your hair clip and you're going to pin your lock so that it does not move and so that it stays secure. As you can see, I completed some rows in the back of my head. So now what you're going to do is just continue on with the same steps that I showed you in the beginning of this video and utilize that on the entire back of the head. If you're finding this video helpful so far, definitely give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.
I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically I'm saying either way we ride the slide. Dance, dance with me, dance, dance, dance with me, no. Dance like Michael Jackson.
So once again, you're going to repeat these same steps in the back quadrant of your head. And then when we get to the front, I'll show you the next steps. All right, so now we're on the front of the head and I'm going to go ahead and start on the left side. You can start on the left or right side. I'm just starting on the left. I'm also sitting down in a chair and I have a mirror propped in front of me. That's only because I did not feel like standing anymore. You can continue to use that 360 mirror and do the left side on the left side of the mirror and the right side on the right side of the mirror. But furthermore, I'm going to put some lock gel on my hair, comb it down, and now I'm taking a rat tail comb and I'm parting my hair to make it nice and clean. Next, you're going to separate your locks by using your rat tail comb, and then you're going to go ahead and put some lock gel on your hair, smooth it out, and begin retwisting. So the same thing that we did in the back, we're doing it on the sides. And this is why I love having locks, because the steps are literally repetitive. So once you just understand your body mechanics and you get into a comfortable position to where you can see what you're doing, the steps are the same thing. Like you're literally just going to repeat the same steps back and forth. Next, I'm just going to clip my hair to the side so that it can stay secure. All right, so the next thing that you want to do is just continue repeating the same steps. Get your lock gel, smooth your hair out, take your comb it through, smooth it out, and then you're going to retwist, and then you're going to twist all the way until you get down to your new growth without going all the way to the bottom of your lock if you don't want it to be thin. And then you're going to clip your hair to the side so that it can stay secure, and repeat. If this video is helping you so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Continue watching this video for some extra help on how I retwist my hair. I'm going to give you a visual guide with me talking less. And if you want to see how I get these locks to look so neat, clean, and crispy, continue watching to the end. You do not want to miss the secret product that I'm going to be using because it's definitely a game changer to doing your locks on your own and making them look professionally done. So like I said, continue watching to the end. You do not want to miss it. Now, when I lock the front of my hair, I like to lock it going backwards. So as you can see, I'm taking my hair clip and I'm pulling my locks backwards. The reason why I do this is because I like to be able to part my hair in the middle or on any side. So this kind of gives me like a flip over method. So that's why I like to do it like that. As you can see, both sides are going back. As you can see, I've retwisted all of my hair and I have it going backwards. And like I promised you, you stayed to the end, so you're gonna see what product I use. I use the Fantasia Spritz Extra Hold Spray. I spray this over top of my whole entire head once I finish locking my hair, and that's what I'm going to use to go underneath the dryer. When I tell you, this spray literally has my locks super crispy, super clean. It looks like I got it professionally done. It's the spray. I give it all to this spray. After you've sprayed your spray on top of your hair, you're gonna go ahead and sit underneath your dryer. You're gonna put it on a warm setting. I have it on high. I actually got this hooded dryer off of like Facebook Marketplace, but you can get a standing hooded dryer or you can let it air dry. Once your hair is completely dry, that's when you can start removing your hair clips. I like to start in the back because that's where I started retwisting it, and then I work my way to the front because that's the last part that I started retwisting. After removing all of the clips, I like to go ahead and style the front of my hair. I went ahead and slayed my edges. And if you'd like a tutorial on how I did my edges, type in edge tutorial in the comments and I'll be sure to upload that for you. And voila, look at these locks. They look so good, y'all. It looks like I went to the salon and got them done, but I did them in my room at home. So if I can do it, I know that you can do it, especially if you follow along with this tutorial. You will not be led the wrong way. If you know someone with locks who is struggling to maintain their hair, send this video to them immediately because someone is going to think that they got it professionally done. I just flipped my hair on one side. I can flip my hair on the other side, and I literally can flip my hair in the middle. Baby. Thank you for watching, and if this video has helped you, go ahead and drop some hearts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.